Eyeshadow can be one of the most transformative products in your makeup kit, and a well-executed eyeshadow look can really accentuate your eyes. However, applying eyeshadow correctly is easier said than done. Hi, I'm Geethika, and today I'm going to show you 5 common eyeshadow mistakes to avoid. Before we begin the video, if you're new to the BeBeautiful channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Mistake number 1. Your eyes look dry and flaky. So just like you look after the rest of your face with moisturizers and cleansers, your eye area needs special attention as well. Dry or flaky skin in this area can end up making your eyeshadow look patchy and uneven. This is why you need to ensure that the delicate skin around your eyes is kept hydrated, and you can do this by adding eye cream to your morning or evening skincare routine. And this is also going to have long-term benefits and make your eye makeup look good. Mistake number 2. Matching your eyeshadow to your eye color. The common rule of thumb is that eye colors look best with eyeshadow shades on the opposite side of the color wheel. For example, brown eyes look gorgeous with dark green, purple, and navy blue. For blue eyes, you can go for orange undertones like rich browns and terracottas. If you have green or hazel eyes, instead of a stark red, we recommend reddish undertones like mahogany, rust, and bronze. And finally, for gray eyes, steely hues such as silver, mink gray, and icy blue work the best. If you do want to try a shade that's similar to your eye color, choose a muted one that won't overshadow the iris. But with that being said, it's always good to experiment. Mistake number 3. Only using a makeup brush to apply eyeshadow. Your fingers are great tools. You don't always need brushes to get a good eye look. Feel free to apply your eyeshadow with your fingers. So the heat from your fingers is going to warm up the product and help it blend better. So use light patting motions to deposit the product evenly. And now I'm just blending it out with my fingers. For a smoky effect, apply the same color liner in your lash line and waterline. And now I'm just smudging this out with my index finger. Mistake number 4. Putting too much product on your brush. Did you know the #1 cause of eyeshadow fallout where the color ends up on your cheeks or under eyes instead of just your lids is because you have too much product on your brush? So as you guys can see, not only does the eyeshadow look bad because I put on too much product, I have some fallout on my cheeks as well. This is especially true of glittery eyeshadows. When you're using a regular eyeshadow, give your brush a few taps to shake off any excess product. For hygiene purposes, I wouldn't ever recommend blowing on the brush, and if you're looking to get a super pigmented look, then you can start off with a little bit and build. Another thing to keep in mind is that if you're doing heavy eye makeup look, then do your eyes first and then your foundation after. This way you can get rid of any fallout and work on that flawless base. Mistake number 5, you get your mattes and shimmers mixed up. Always use your mattes and shimmers to the same effect as you would use your face products like a contour or a highlighter. Light glitters and shimmers are designed to bring the color forward and emphasize the eye area, whereas mattes create depth, shadow, and definition. So in general, try and keep those shimmery shades on your lid or the center of your lid, and those darker matte shades should be applied in the crease, outer corner, lower lash line, and you can go in on the lid as well. So I'm going in with a matte brown in my crease. This is just going to give it some definition. And now I'm just using this shimmery shade on the center of my lid. Some of that matte dark brown on the outer V. This is just creating a bit more dimension. And that same matte brown shade to define my lash line. And this is the finished look. Well, I hope this video helps you with your eyeshadow application. Let me know how it works for you in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BeBeautiful.